Before we start installing the roof on this section with the chimney, I want to talk a little bit about the installation of All American Steel's box gutter. Now this gutter, as you can see, is installed before the roof is installed. It has a nailing flange. We're going to install gutter straps every 16 inches on center because of where we're located up here in the north, where there's heavy winters. And then the ice and water shield is going to come down and cover both the strap and the nailing flange so that any moisture condensation that comes off rolls into the gutter and not behind it. I want to point out that this gutter has a great feature, which is the fact that it's set ½ an inch below the plane of the roof. And that allows snow and ice to come off the roof, to slide off the metal roof panel without grabbing the lip of the gutter and pulling it off. All American Steel also offers K-style gutter, which for residential homes allows you to match the existing trim. And this gutter, if you want, you can install it on an existing roof. You simply order it without the nailing flange, which allows you to slip it behind the existing eave trim, and away you go. Now that the box gutter is installed, we'll just take a quick moment to review what we talked about earlier. So we have a box-style gutter from All American Steel. You can see here that what I talked about before with the drop down. So as snow and ice comes off the metal panels, it shoots out over the gutter and misses the lip. So it avoids pulling it off the roof, which is a great feature of this gutter from All American Steel. So you can see here the gap between my square edge and the plane of the roof. During the video when I was installing panel on this side, I used a square to illustrate the fact that this gutter from American Steel has the feature of being set about ½ an inch below the roof plane so that when snow and ice comes down, it skips out over the gutter. And as a quick demonstration, Brian, who's standing on a ladder, is going to drop my X-Acto knife on the roof, and we're going to see if it skips out over the gutter. And there you go. I've got gutter straps that we pre-drilled and have set at 16 inches on center because of the high snow and ice load. We have the flange coming up onto the roof, and I'm now going to apply ice and water shield to this section all around the chimney and coming out over the gutter and the gutter strap so that any condensation, moisture rolls off of the top of the underlayment and into the gutter rather than behind it. Thanks very much for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your All American Steel rep or shoot us a note through social media.